Flat earthers loves to make claims about things they don't know anything about. Today we will have a look at one example of that. Let's start.
Good morning, aloha from Florida. So, 2 death blows for the globe religion. One, Flatten the Curve by Vika Drazev, a documentary with commercial and military pilots and professionals, as well as aeronautical engineers, merchant marines, the guys who navigate submarines, all proving with real-world applications that the Earth is flat and stationary.
When I made a video about that stupid so-called documentary, I was in contact with some of those who was in the video claiming to be experts, and I asked for a discussion online with them regarding weapon systems, navigations and so on. They was not interested at all.
Did you know that flat Earth is the default position for all technology? Every targeting in the military, all flight, everything. Flat Earth is the default position.
All systems on airplanes are based on the globe, navigation systems and so on. The same goes for ships. On a cruise ship like this one, radar and radio systems is placed in the top because of the horizon. But let's focus on weapon systems. This is the RBS-15, an anti-ship missile made by Swedish Saab and are used by the armed forces in Sweden, Germany, Poland and so on. And this is a proof of a globe. Let me explain. This is from Wikipedia about anti-ship missiles. Read this sentence. And there we have sea skimming. They are sea skimming. What is that? It's a technique where airplanes and missiles is flying very low, close to the surface to avoid radar detection. So why would you do that on a flat Earth? Makes no sense, but on a globe it makes perfect sense. This is the Swedish coast Corvette of Visby class. This is JAS Gripen, our Swedish fighters, and here they are loading RBS-15s. It can be used on ships, lorries or aircrafts. And here they are going to fire from a lorry. Here they are loading one RBS-15 on one of our fighters. So it first flies high and then it goes low, close to the surface. And here you see the plane drops it and it goes down to the surface. The same when you fire from a lorry, it goes up and then down close to the surface. And there we had a destroyed target. This was filmed during a weapons test that I was a part of. So I know for a fact that this is how this type of weapons works. This is the British warship USS Sheffield. During the Falklands War, 4th of May 1982, two Argentinian super standards attacked Sheffield using Exocet missile, and it killed 20 sailors and injured 60. This is how she looked after the attack. I have made several videos about this attack earlier on. The Argentinian pilots flew very close to the surface and anti-ship missiles flew very close, so they didn't get a warning early enough to defend themselves. On 7th May 1987, US Stark was attacked by Iraqi Mirage F-1 fighter jets. The pilot fired the first Exocet missiles from a range of 22.5 nautical miles and the second from 15.5 nautical miles. The frigate did not detect the missiles with the radar. Warning was given by the lookout only moments before the missiles struck. The missiles killed 37 sailors and injured 21. And what tactic was used? Sea skimming. This video is from when the Polish Navy was here in Sweden trying out RBS 15. I know by a fact that this is how this type of weapons works. They are designed to be on a globe. They are using sea skimming and all systems is based on a globe and wouldn't make any sense at all on a flat earth. But fools like Aloha from Florida thinks he's an expert in all regarding navigation, weapon systems and so on, but none of them have any experience at all. This is a part of my working life. I are depending on radars and how they work, and our survival on ships is based on knowing about the horizon. All we do, navigation, weapon system, all we use are based on a globe, not a silly flat earth. That's reality. People have lost their lives, sailors have lost their lives because of sea skimming. So they have lost their lives because of weapon systems hiding behind the horizon. That's reality. What you see on the screen is how you use the horizon if there will be a war involving different navies. Okay, that was all I had for you today. Hope you liked the video. I will be back soon. So, see you soon. Bye.